Have you ever wanted a kitchen table that looks like a piano and also serves a purpose and was invented by popular inventor Christopher Scholes?
Well, now you can.
Have you ever wanted to write a legible letter but have terrible handwriting?
Well, now you can.
Have you ever wanted to blow your money on something that just makes writing a little faster?
Well, now you can.
This new product uses ink and keys like a piano to write for you. For you!
Well, now you can. I wish there was another option. There has to be another way.
Well, now there is. I can't work in these conditions.
Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me. I truly believe that this invention will make America great and help us prosper.
$1868 will be the year for you if you order now.
Premiumbeat.com.
Looks like a piano, writes like a racehorse. The Typewriter, order now.
Premiumbeat.com.
They aren't paying me enough for this.
Have you ever wanted a kitchen table that also looks like a piano but serves a purpose, who was also invented by Christopher Scholes?
Who, Chris? Who was also invented by Christopher
It
Scholes?
could be a living typewriter.
Okay, we're gonna go again. One more time. Are you gonna... No, get in your spot.
Okay, so that was also invented by Christopher Scholes?
Yep.
Have you ever wanted a kitchen table that looks like a piano? Crap. I'm not an actor, Emily. Am I gonna get a really big head rush?
Probably.
This new product uses ink and keys like a piano. Stop. My hand is really shaky. Good. Right here. Just like, no, like do a couple jumps and then just be like, skirt, Chris. Then do a couple jumps. Like, no, just like do the Marilyn Monroe thing where you like hold the front of your skirt down. No, and then just be like, no, I'm just gonna go. Here, get off the trampoline. You're banging me. What? Ow! I shocked myself. I'm just gonna go. Turn more this way. So like put your feet back. Do you want a pointy stick? Okay, so I'm going from... I'll go from like here.
Well, now you can. That was bad. Huh?
Looks like a piano, writes like a racehorse. Looks like a piano, writes like a racehorse. The Typewriter, order now.
I know.
I mean, this is the entire process.
Okay.
How's my hair look?
You're fine. You're fine.
Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me. Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me. Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me. Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me.
No, you have to like slap me and stuff. So we have to redo that.
Starting.
Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me. Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me.
No, you didn't even let me start.
Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me. Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me.
I can't work with this.
Hi, I'm Joseph Neal. You've heard of me.
I didn't get.
Emily,
such a good
you gotta get
one.
the swoop.
Oh,